5 lots. Now, the next was a sell on gold. Let's take a look at this sell. This sell on gold was actually very, very simple, right? This is a trade that everyone has been taking for so long. This is a trade that we've talked about on our Twitter and the live streams a lot. So let me break this down here for you. This was a sell on gold, very simple. Now, the whole thing is you're not gonna hear me talk about some complications or difficult to understand ideas or some rocket science in trading. No, it's basically simple price action. If you can't read candles, you are not going to be able to take profitable trades. And this is what we talk about in SRC and market fluidity. Now, very simple. We had a support at 1641. This was taken an hour after the pound yen trade because this was still around pre-London London open, so a lot of volume. Candle closed below support, right? The next 30-minute candle closed like this with no wick at the bottom. And when the next 30-minute candle broke below this low, this was a given sell at this point. Because now you can say that, oh, well, what about this support to the left-hand side in this zone? Remember this, right? The zones, supports, and rejection areas. The only way they're going to be broken is when there's going to be volume in the market. You need volume to break through those zones, right? That's why those zones are always broken, and that's why you can anticipate those zones to get broken. And that's what happened. 30-minute candle closed below, didn't close below, like it broke below this low, impulse entry, stops above this area, 10, 11 pips stop loss. If my stop loss was 10, 11 pips, and I'm using a one lot, I'm risking what? I'm risking $100. Right? I'm risking $100. That's like about 1.6%, 1.6%, something like that. But the overall idea was price to go down. I've seen this happen a lot of times, so I decided, hey, I've seen this happen a lot of times. Most probably it's going to work. There's a high probability it's going to go down, and that's what happened. Price went down in profits. Anticipated to continue pushing down to 1634, but as it started to retrace, I basically closed out the position, made about $384. Now, boom, I was up. Right? Next, took another buy. This was a buy on gold. This was in